Nick Lewandowski was a tough kid. He was the kind of kid he fought. He ended up with either permanent brain damage or had a limb missing. And one day he got pissed off at 3 people that supposedly stole a knife, and he killed all 3 of them and signed up for life. But before that happened, I met Nick because some of my homeboys were running with him and they didn't know what to do with him. So they pawned him off on me and he started staying with me some. Sure enough, Nick was going to work. He'd use a little bit. And then he got that needle like I did, and he went to a whole new fucking level. Nick started missing work, found some girl. They went and robbed somebody's house. They got caught doing it. He came to see me. I said, hey man, you got to go. And so he went on. He understood. 3 or 4 days later, he called me and said, hey man, I love you. I want to see you. And I said, okay. They were staying in a hotel room. We went down there and hung out, did a little thing with the girls. Came time to check out. They hadn't had a shower. And he said, do you mind if me and her go by there and take a shower? I said, dude, you know they're going to get you there. You understand that? He said, yeah. He said, I'll get out of there. Well, sure enough, I went to work down at the house. It burnt. I was cleaning up shit, doing dirt work. About 3 o'clock, I come back up that way. And I pulled in Amity through the bank, and I just missed Martineau. So I went up around the Jasons and went up to Pine Hill and come down. And when I seen that condo, there was about 30 police hanging off on it. Felix was beating on the fucking door, and I just kept on hauling ass. The girl called me from the inside. She said, what'd I do? I said, ain't much you can do. I'd flush everything you got. Long story short, they busted the door down. They got old Nick in the car. And Martineau got him in there, and he said, you know Jason told on him, which was a fucking lie. Okay? And then Nick believed it and told him everything I'd been doing. It was the fucking textbook fucking play. It'd be years later. He got out before he killed them people. He called me after he talked a little shit. And I told him, Nick, and I'm telling you now, it was always a lie. And I told him how good I was to him and how I babysat him, put him up, took care of him. It was him that lost control. I said, don't you ever call me again. And sure enough, about a month later, he went down there and signed up for life, taking 3 people's lives. God bless you. Fluent English. Smile. One more time. Give it to me.